Oh, it's so difficult to choose. I want meat. Yeah, that one. Oh, I gotta go for that one. The tenderloin. Yeah, yummy. What are you gonna have, my love? What are you gonna have? Oh, I will also have a steak. Oh, what kind of steak do you want? I want a plank steak. Plank steak. What is that? That is steak on a plank. Oh, that sounds exciting. What can it do for you? It can make you full. It's food. How does it look like? Yeah, it looks something like, yeah, that is your steak. A normal steak. Oh, that's the plank steak. So it come on wood, and there's mashed potato around it, and a broccoli. Oh my God, it's so yummy, yummy. What kind of sauce is that one? That's a pepper sauce. Is it spicy? Pepper sauce. Yeah, it's spicy. Oh, I like mine. It's also yummy. I will dip it. What is this? Nobody saw I dip it, but I did dip it. I'm a top